na-mention yun sa concert. And we have new songs also for this concert.
Can you share po paano nag-start po yung Love Matters? Kumbaga nag-start yung conceptualization?
Well, nag-sit down lang kami, tapos parang inisip na ano bang ibang concept naman for Valentine's Day. Kasi usually as we celebrate is nagiging talagang love for each other. Talagang puro love, 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 diba? Ito kahit love sa love ng nag-iisa ka lang, meron dyan. Love ng meron ng iba yung love mo, gano'n, meron din dyan. So iba-iba. Kumbaga we celebrate all types of love for this concert. Or minsan pag gusto mo ng Valentine concert, it's all about like love lang, hanap ka ng special someone.
Magkakaroon po ba ng parang medyo story person?
I think may mga songs na siyempre we do like songs about it.
Sa mga malapit sa ikaw nila.
Can you tell us a little bit about what kind of music will this be? Will this be more on covers or your originals, or a mix of both?
Well, sa mga concerts naman din, mawawala yung mga covers kasi yung importante din na people could relate to all the songs. And also, hindi rin mawawala yung mga songs na minahal nila, yung mga songs ko na minahal ng mga audience.
Miss Nina, can you take us back nung time na nag-start kayo? Sino po ba yung mga influencers nyo bilang isang singer?
Mariah, syempre. Mariah. Tapos, Whitney Houston, yan, si Alicia Keys, mga nasa-start ko sa and a lot more actually. Nung bata pa ako talaga, when my dad was teaching me how to sing, and sila mga Matt Monroe, Julio Iglesias, sila Frank Sinatra. Kasi nung bata ako, kinakanta ko talaga mga kanila. Kasi bilang daddy ko ang nagturo sa akin, ang mga pinipid niya sa akin is mga panlalaking kanta. So, nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong freedom to choose the songs that I would like to sing. Doon na rin ko na sila with me.
And then yung journey nyo naman po, how you become a professional singer?
My journey, well, nagsimula ako kumakanta na ako sa mga tita-tita, ganyan, tapos binabayaran na nila, binibigyan nila ako ng mga, mga tawag,
Reward.
Ganon, para kumanta. Para matiyak yung tawag na tayo. Sabi ko, kakanta lang ako, bayaran ako. So, doon nag-start yung parang gusto ko na rin palang kumanta, bigyan ako ng mga regalo, ganyan. Tapos eventually, sa mga schools, yan, nakanta ako. Diba, doon naman talaga lang start school. Tapos, singing contest, ganyan. Tapos, after that, parang may kumuha sa akin, to play with the band. High school pa siguro ako ng banda.
Do you remember your first gig?
It was at Strums in Makati. Strums in Makati pa yung naalala ko. Tapos, yun, na-enjoy ko na yung being able to sing live for everybody. Kasi iba yung feeling ng banda, live instruments, and all. So, yun na.
And then, kailan nyo po na-realize na you already made it? Yung parang narinig nyo na yung mga songs sa radio?
Nung first time ko narinig yung song ko on the radio, syempre hindi ko pa naman feel na, I need it. Kasi narinig ko na yung song on the radio. Siguro yung time na nalaman ko na I was accepted as a singer and I made it as a singer in this industry was when I was receiving a lot of awards and a lot of recognitions. Syempre, hindi mo naman masasabi sa sarili mo na singer ka kung wala kang pang natatanggap na recognition for a singer. So, especially nung nagkaroon ng 10 times platinum yung nila. Hindi talaga, okay, tanggap na sila. Love talaga nila.
I also have seen a couple of videos online, specifically on YouTube, that you were able to also work with some of artists and producers in the US. Can you tell us a little bit about how that went?
Which one is this one? Very recent.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Well, I've collaborated with some composers in the US. We made a few songs that we haven't released yet, but we'll probably think that releasing it this year.
some sort of your penchant in the international market? Is that what's fantastic?
I don't wanna say that I wanna delve into the international. Pero lahat naman tayo, lahat naman singers, they wanted to penetrate the international. Pero sa akin, I just wanna put out this song. I think it will make it internationally exposed. I'm not, really pushing and putting this out to be an international sensation.
But how do you feel that when they were talking about you, medyo parang their jaws were dropped when they heard you sing in the studio?
In this what?
Studios.
Well, they've heard all of my songs, they've heard about me, and yun, probably when they heard me like sing live, yun lang yung nagulat lang sila na magandahan sila dun sa mo. Parang na-enjoy sila siguro dun sa who work with a director. Always a breeze, working with director fans kasi he gives the artist the freedom, to do whatever you want to do, but yung creative side, like, direct, ito yung gusto kong gawin, pero siya, pinapaganda lang na lalo yung idea mo na sasabihin sa so, hindi siya yung parang limited to, parang, ito gusto kong gawin mo, ito gusto kong gawin mo, ano gusto mong gawin? Ito gusto kong gawin mo. So, papaganda lang na.
Is it related to concept or it's a collaboration?
He's part of the creation of
Taking on that, are we expecting any guests with us
Wait.
for the concert?
Yes.
Guests. So at the moment, I have one guest, and it's MMG. For now. Recently, narinig ko lang siya, pero hindi ko siya constantly pero I'm vocal about this particular singer, si Maki. Magaling na ako kay Maki. So I don't know what's with him, but when I watched him live on TV for the first time, I thought, okay, like, he sang his song live. Galing, hindi siya yung parang pang ano lang pala, pang studio lang pala. Live mo lang siya mag-live. And he sings also some covers. Okay, then,
Since